DHEC released their recommendations for the upcoming school year, and it includes a list of COVID protocols that districts are waking up to this morning. Fox Carolina's Grace Runkel is reading through the lengthy plan. She's live in Greenville so parents can prepare for this. Grace, tell us more.
Well, Margaret Ann, waking up to this information is right. I was just kind of briefly talking with the spokesperson for Greenville County Schools, and he said, obviously, he hasn't even seen this yet, so they really didn't know that this was going to be coming down overnight. Again, this new guidance coming out just at 3 o'clock this morning. So something that we're still reading through. Districts are not even processing just yet, but we have looked through it, and there's some key points that parents are going to want to know about. So we know that this is coming down as the COVID-19 cases continue to rise just before most districts in the upstate are preparing to head back to school. But there are 9 key areas where they say they can work on prevention. So during the last school year, we saw a lot of districts relax their rules. DHEC even relaxed some of their guidance. But this seems to be a move in the other direction this morning. The biggest change for parents is masking on buses. DHEC says it should be universal and required. But schools can't require students to wear masks in the building. That's according to a new law passed this spring. But DHEC is still encouraging schools to recommend it for students and staff. Districts are also encouraged to work with local health officials to promote vaccinations, and 3 feet of social distancing is also recommended. Contact tracing will still be in use, they're saying, if someone gets sick. Now, the CDC says that universal masking should not just be for students, it should be for everyone in high spread areas. So this morning we spoke with one woman who says she's on board with it, but doesn't think many others will be.
I definitely feel like there's a lot of resistance in this area. I don't know if I'm going to have that much of hope people are going to do it, but I know I'm going to do my part, so I just pray and hope other people will.
And again, we're still waiting to hear back from a lot of districts this morning. We know that we're going to get an update from Greenville County Schools as soon as they've had a chance to review that information. So make sure you stick with us all morning long, because this is definitely a developing story that we'll be following very closely. Ted?